Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. NBA Playoffs Western Conference Finals Game 3, May 23, 2026. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, bench propelled Thunder passes first 123-108 after historic slow start for 2-1 lead. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander had 26 points and 12 assists, and the Oklahoma City Thunder climbed out of a 15-point hole minutes into the game to beat the San Antonio Spurs 123-108 and take 2-1 lead in their series. Jared McCain had 24 points and Jalen Williams added 18 for Oklahoma City. The Thunder were without Jalen Williams, who sat out with a left hamstring soreness. Victor Wembanyama had 24 points for San Antonio. Devin Vassell added 20 points, and De'Aaron Fox had 15 in his series debut. Oklahoma City Thunder led after the end of the first half 58-51. Wemby already had 10 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 blocks. Fox had 11 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. For the Oklahoma City Thunder, Jalen Williams had 14 points, 3 rebounds, 2 steals, and Shai Gilgeous-Alexander had 9 points, 6 assists. Alexander played 36 minutes and shot 6 of 17 from the field, including 2 of 4 from the three-point line, and is perfect 12 of 12 from the free throw line. While Victor Wembanyama played 39 minutes and shot 8 of 15 field goals, including 2 of 5 from the three-point line, and 8 of 10 from the free throw line. The San Antonio Spurs raced to a 15-0 lead, the longest run to open a game in a conference final since the play-by-play era began in 1997. Fox opened the run by wrapping in driving layup, and Wembanyama followed by crossing over Isaiah Hartenstein to drill a three-pointer. Vassell's three-pointer put the Spurs up 10-0, leading to an early timeout by Thunder coach Mark Daigneault. The Thunder went on a 13-2 run when Wembanyama went to the bench and closed the first quarter, trailing 31-26. Oklahoma City's bench outscored San Antonio's 76-23, including 15 points by Alex Caruso. The Thunder have won 2 straight after the Spurs' double overtime victory in Game 1. OKC shot 39 of 81 or 48% overall, including 17 of 38 from three-point line and 28 of 33 from the free throw line. San Antonio shot 43% overall. OKC also had a total of 41 rebounds, 21 assists, with only 10 turnovers compared to San Antonio who had 15, a total of 7 steals and 2 blocks. Let's proceed to the Eastern Conference Finals game is scheduled on May 24, 2026. The series between New York Knicks led by Jalen Brunson and the Cleveland Cavaliers led by Donovan Mitchell will now shift to Cleveland as they play in Rocket Arena at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Cleveland Cavaliers hope to turn the tide of the series in their home court as they are down 2-0. Let's visit the NBA Conference Finals series standings as of May 23, 2026. For the Eastern Conference series standings, New York Knicks leads the series 2-0. While for the Western Conference, Oklahoma City Thunder leads their series against San Antonio Spurs 2-1.